everyone, welcome to the mobile time tracker. Tracking crews in the field is tough, especially if you're moving around job sites. You spend a ton of time just making sure that everyone is where they're supposed to be at the time that they're supposed to be there. And then your office spends more time, come payroll time, sorting through messy, illegible time cards, trying to call people. So, welcome to the mobile time tracker. We guarantee that you'll at least have 4 more hours every payroll cycle and far less frustration and aggravation, giving you the time to enjoy that glass of beer or a glass of wine. And in a short time, I'll show you how the time tracker makes sense for your business. The mobile time tracker actually works on a smartphone and is super easy to use. It turns your smartphone into a powerful time tracking device, and also you can track other things. I'll talk about that in a minute. And I'll show you how easy it is to use the time tracker. All I do is go in and put in my 4-digit PIN, which is my passcode in here, and click on login, and it logs me into the system. Now all that your employee does is to check on this little green button right here. Once they do that, they get a list of projects that they could be working on, and then a task that they may be working on, and then a work time, and they click done. And that's really it. That's all that they need to do. They're checked in to their job. So it's really that simple to start tracking time. Optionally, you can choose to track notes when somebody checks in or out. If you want to know exactly where your crews are checking in, we can provide optional GPS location tracking. If you want to know that it is your employee that's tracking in, you can have them take a photograph of themselves at the job site when they check in and out. And the best part of all this is that everything is very easily configurable. So you choose what you want to track, whether you just want to track time when you start and then move on to things like GPS locations and photos, whatever you want. It's completely your choice. And actually everything gets synced to our systems in the cloud in real time. So if you look at this, it's actually showing you the data. It's actually showing you the data as it is right now. And it shows that John Chalmers, who is the person that clocked in here, is actually showing up here with a start time stamp. So somebody in the office, your managers or yourself, can really look at where your people are, what time they're doing things, and everything that's going on at the job site in real time. And if your crews are in places where there's no data connection or Wi-Fi, whenever they get into an area where the data or Wi-Fi is within range, their time tracking data gets synced back into the system. So you have complete visibility into what's going on at the job site. And we have automated emails that can come into your inbox that show you exactly what people have been doing. For example, this report shows all of the people that were working today, what time they started, what time they ended, and how much time they worked. So this is a report that can come in automatically into your inbox, so you don't even have to go anywhere else. You just look at your email and you have a report at the end of the day that shows you how much time people have actually worked. And then there's a bunch of other reports that we have. For example, this one shows you how much time people have worked on different days this week. So this is like an executive summary report that gives you an overall view of what's going on this week with all of your different employees. You can take a look at who's checked in right now. So these are the people that are checked in right now. It shows you what time they started and where they are at this point. In this particular case, we haven't tracked their locations, but if they had, you would see their locations right here. And there's a weekly payroll export, so that makes your payroll really easy for your payroll people. You have everybody's start and end time, so you can take that and you have the time that they worked on that particular day, so that can get exported to your time tracking system really, really easily. So that saves you a lot of time. And again, the same data that's available, you can use that for billing as well. All of this comes in with Salesforce license. So, you can actually also track your customers, your contacts, and your opportunities. So that helps in that side of the business as well. So check out the mobile time tracker and give us a call. So we'll be very, very happy to take you through and show you what's possible here. So give us a call, 408-878-3100, or send us an email. It's info@dftly.com. The website is www.dftly.com. Happy to talk to you. Thanks.